In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can code a timeout command for your Discord.js version 14 prefix bot. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to title it so we can make a comment here. We can say timeout command. Maybe we can go down here and we can say if command equals timeout. Alright, so now we're going to make a pretty long variable here. So we're just going to do const time user equals message.mentions.members.first. Then we can do the pipes here. We can do message.guild. Here we go. Message.guild.members.cache.get argument 0. Then we can go do two more pipes, and by the way, pipes actually mean or, if you didn't know. So we can do the two pipes here. We can do message.guild.members.cache.find x arrow function, and we can do x.user.username, I think, .to lowercase, and then we can do equals argument.slice. In here we can do 0. And then right outside that we can do .join, empty string here. We can do the or sign or the pipes, and we can do x.user.username equals argument 0. We can put a semicolon here and semicolon here, and we will be good to go. Quick pause. I just want to say that if you haven't already, please add eski to your server. Or servers. It's a really good Discord bot. It has everything you need, and it's verified, but we're still trying to grow, so add it up, please. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right back into it. So now we're going to go ahead and define a duration. So we can do const duration equals argument 1 in here. We can add a semicolon there. We can add a few if statements down here. So we can do if exclamation mark message dot members dot permissions dot has permissions bit field dot flags dot moderate members. I think that should be how it goes. Honestly, oh wait, no, bit field. There we go. Okay. Then we can return message dot channel not send. You can say you don't have permission to time people out in this server. Alright, we can add a semicolon here. We can go down here and we can do if no time user, just like that. Then we can go ahead and return, and we can send a message just like this, and we can say please specify a member to timeout, just like that. We can do if message.member equals time user. We can return message.channel send. We can say let's see, you cannot time yourself out, just like that. Semicolon. We can do if no duration. We can return message.channel.send. Please specify a duration in which you want the member to be timed out for, just like that. And then we can do one more. We can do if duration is greater than, this number is very specific, so put this in 604,800. Then we're going to return and say message.channel.send. Please specify a duration between 1 and that exact same number, so 604,800. And we can say in here, we can say 1 week seconds, just like that. So yeah, so then we can go down here and we can say if is nan, just like that, and then we can say duration. Then we can open this up here and we can say return message.channel.send. Please specify a valid number in the duration section, just like that. Put a semicolon here. we can define a reason, so we can do let reason equals argument dot slice to dot join. What do I do here? Okay, empty string. Then we're gonna do a or sign, and we're gonna do no reason given, just like that. So then we can do our embeds. So we can do const embed equals new embed builder. This is new for version 14. We can do set color blue, set description. We can say white check mark. You have been, or wait, no, don't do that. Do time user.user.tag has been timed out for duration seconds. And then we can do reason, just like that. Then we can do const dm embed equals new embed builder. Then we can do set color. We're gonna do blue again. We can do set description. We can do white check mark. You have been timed out in message.guild.name for duration seconds, just like that. We can do a reason right here. Alright, so now we're actually going to go ahead and time the person out, and then we can send these messages. So we're going to do time user.timeout duration multiplied by 1000, and then we can do reason. Alright, now we can do message.channel.send. We can do our embeds, and we can say embed, and we can put a semicolon. We can say time user.send embeds dm embed. And then we're gonna go ahead and catch error, just like that. And we can either console.log an error if they have their if they have their DMs off, or we can just return and do nothing. So I'm just gonna return, just like that. And with that, we are actually done with the timeout command. So yeah, let's go ahead and actually code the untimeout command. So we can go down here, we can say untimeout command if command equals untimeout timeout. Alright, then we can go in here and we can say, we're gonna go ahead and actually copy this right here. So we can go ahead and copy that. We can paste it there. If !message.member.permissions has permissions bit field.flags .moderate members, we can return message.channel.send you don't have permission to time or to untime people out in this server, just like that. We put a semicolon here. Alright, so then we can do if time user, if no time user, so exclamation mark, return message channel send, please specify a member to untime out. Alright, then we can do if message.member equals time user, return message.channel.send you cannot time or untime yourself out, just like that. Alright, then we can do if exclamation mark time user dot kickable. We can do return message dot channel dot send you cannot time this person out. Alright, semicolon. Let reason equals argument dot slice 1 dot join empty string. Then we can do the pipes, and we can do no reason given. Alright, then we can do const embed equals new embed builder. Set color blue. Set description. We can do white check mark timeuser.user.tag has been untimed out, just like that. We can do reason. We can do one more embed because we still want a DM embed so that the people know they got untimed out. So we can do const DM embed equals embed new embed builder. We can do set color blue, set description. We can do white check mark, and then we can say you have been untimed out in if I can even do this, message.guild.name, and then we can do a reason, just like that. All right, now we're actually going to untime them out, so we can do timeuser.timeout, and then we can say null, and then we can say reason. So that is actually going to time them out. Just right here we put in the duration, and we're going to sub that out with null, and I'll just untime them out. Now we can send the messages, so message.channel.send embed, just like that, and then we can say timeuser.send embeds DM embed. We can say catch error function, open that up, return. I'm just not going to console.log it. And with that, we are good. So let's go ahead and restart the bot and test it out. Alright, so I did get a little error here. Just make sure you spell this out correctly. I think I spelled permissions wrong or something. Just make sure here you do !message.member.permissions.has and then fill in this just like you did. I'm assuming you did it right. I just made a little error, so yeah, I'm just going to restart it and test it out again. Alright, so in here we're just going to do timeout. And as you can see, it says please specify a member to timeout. And of course, if I didn't have permissions, it would come back with that message. So now what we can do is we can go ahead and time out an alt. As you can see, it says please specify a duration in which you want to time out the member, which is perfect. If we do timeout my alt and just put in like a random string of numbers and letters, it will say please specify a valid number in the duration section. Now if we do timeout my alt and then we put in like a number that is so big it's much higher than this number, it will come back with this as well. So then we can do one more thing here. We can actually try to time out. Actually, no, I think that's it. So then we can just time me out and we can say 1,000 seconds, for example, and it will say that. If we open this up, this is how you see how long they've been timed out for, and as you can see, it is working properly. So now let's go ahead and try to untime them out. So we'll do untimeout. It comes back with that. We can do untimeout me, and then we will leave out the duration. One little error here, as you can see, I just forgot to capitalize the U in here, so just make sure you do that. Go ahead and save it, and then restart it. I'm assuming you did this correctly, but I didn't, so yeah. Alright, so we can try this out again. Untimeout goose. And as you can see, it says he's been untimed out, and there's no timeout here. So it is working properly. If we want to test this out, untimeout goose, or we can actually test this out, but we can do timeout me. We can say 2000, and we can put a reason, being bad. As you can see, it times the person out for 2,000 seconds, and it says being bad. We can untime them out goose, and as you can see, it untimes them out. Heading into the alt here, we can see that we have a ton of DMs. It says these are the most recent. As you can see, the DM is working here. So yeah, if you have any questions or need any help, feel free to join the help server in the description below. As you can see, we have a lot of helpful people in here. The channels are super active. And yeah, we will be here to help you out if you need it. If this didn't work or anything like that, just join the help server. Of course, leave a comment down below, leave a like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.